Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm talking about and showing you how to cancel order on AliExpress. So, for example, if you want to cancel it, you need to make sure that the item is not shipped yet. So, pretty much after you, for example, made an order and you changed your mind, or maybe you ordered a wrong, say, size, you ordered some kind of clothing or something, maybe like a t-shirt like this or something, and you want to return it or not return it, you need to cancel the order and not pay for it or just get your money back instantly. So to do that, you go to your account, you go to my orders, and under my orders you click on view all. You can pretty much make a cancellation of your order. You just press on the order like that, like this, and then you can of course return it. And what's going to happen, a little time will pass, then they will pretty much return the money to your original payments method and you can cancel. But if the item was shipped already, you can't cancel the order. You need to wait until it's shipped and then you can make a return and of course a refund. So pretty easy, guys. So enjoy, guys. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.